Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our maths book. Open your math books. So students, today we are going to do our day 17 work. Page number is 18. So as you know, you write date and day on the top of the page. The day should be on the right side and the date should be on the left side of your page. So moving towards our question number 4. Write the numbers that is. A part 1, 10, 2 ones. It means we have two digits. A number which have two digits 1, 10 and 2 ones. 1 and 2. So you write 1, 2, 12 over here in this box. B part 1, 10, 5 ones. It means you have two digits 1 and 5. So you write 1, 5, 15 over here in this box. So in C part 1, 9. 1, 9, 19. So in D part 1, 10, 3 ones. It means 1, 3, 13. Yes. Next E part 1, 10, 1, 10. It means 1, 1, 11. Next 1, 10, 0 ones. It means 1, 0, 10. Next is 1, 10, 7 1. It means 1, 7, 17. Good. So moving towards our question number 5. Write in words and figures. One has been done for you. It means you have to write this question in numbers and in words. Figure means numbers and words mean in alphabets. So 1, 10 and 1, 1. It means 1, 1, 11. So you write 11 in words in alphabets, and to also write 1, 1 in figures means in numbers. So in B part 1, 10 and 8 ones means 1, 8, 18. So you write 18 in alphabets and 1, 8, 8, 18 in numbers. 1, 10 and 0 ones mean 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 10 and 4 ones mean 1, 4, 14 and 1, 4, 14. 1 is 1, 10 and 6 ones mean 1, 6, 16, and you write it also in numbers 1, 6, 16. In F part 1, 10 and 2 ones mean 1, 2, 12. So you write 12 in words and also in 1 to 12 numbers. So class, do your classwork very neatly. It's your homework to do this practice of your classwork. पढ़ते जाओ, बढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. Take care. Allah Hafiz.